1993 BMW R100 that I've built to match my customer's 1989 Porsche 964 finished in Baltic Blue metallic, which is like, I'm going to say it's a special colour in Porsche world. Particularly on the 964, it's very rare. And I love how it's come out on the bike. Long story short, my guy came to me with an R69S that he'd bought, fully restored. And before he could even tell me, I told him, wow, what a pain in the ass that bike is. Like, can you start it? Can you ride it? And he was like, no, it's boring. I need something better. Can you do it? So we've gone for a very classic bobber, spoke wheels, rear fender, police gas tank from Europe. We've gone Euro spec 1000cc with 30-degree valve heads that came in the 90s from BMW, and then twin plugged them. And the reason they made the shift to 30-degree valves was that for emissions they had to reduce the size of the valves but get the power back somehow, and they did that with the 30-degree, and I found that the performance is better than the big valve head throughout the power band. So down low, very crisp. Great, really lovely bottom end on this thing. Whereas a big valve head, all your power's at the very top. Olin's front end, Brembo GP4 calipers. Really cool thing that we've integrated the /5 headlight bucket with a mechanical speedo to the late style engine. That means rebuilding a custom tack, because now it's electronic with a custom pickup from the coil, whereas on the /5 that would have had a cable and come off the engine case. Rear fender mounted to the swing arm, very snug fit, it's steel, it moves with the rear wheel. We did it previously on the Cafe Racer for the first time. This is the first bobber that got it.